Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get a balaclava in Ready or Not in 2025 update. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before we begin, you need to know one important thing that the balaclava is not available in the single player anymore. So when Ready or Not first came out, some players could equip it in SP mode, but the developers removed that option in the later updates. So in the current version, you can only get and use the Balaclava in multiplayer. So there are modes that bring it back to the single player, but that's a separate tutorial. For now, you just have to simply just come here inside the multiplayer lobby so that you can access the main headquarters. So once you spawn inside the headquarter, you need to start walking towards the hallway that leads to the customization area. On the right hand side of the headquarter, you will find the locker room. So this is where all of the outfit changes happen. So you need to go up one of the lockers and then tap on the option of or press F on your keyboard in order to open the customization menu, something like this. Inside the menu, you will see different tabs for appearance, gears, armors, and your operator section. So at the top, you need to click on the option of the customization window, and there is a drop down menu where all of the character models are listed. So you need to click on the drop down menu right next to the character. Then when you see this type of list in front of you, you just have to scroll down and look for the eco groups. Now note, every character in the game wears a balaclava, but several eco operators do. So you need to scroll through the list until you find the ones with the face fully covered. The moment you click on the eco operators, your character model updates and you are going to see instantly the balaclava is equipped. So there is nothing extra to unlock and no requirements to meet. The balaclava comes built in with certain operators, so choosing one of those is all you need to do. You can swap through the characters to preview the different styles until you find the one that you like the most. After selecting the operator that you want, you can just basically take things further by customizing the uniform, the vest, and color variations with the help of this particular section. So these don't affect the balaclava, but they help you build a full a tactical look around it. So once you are done customizing, simply press the escape to close the menu, and your character with the balaclava will be activated, and it is going to appear in the missions in the multiplayer rounds and the headquarter. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.